Hey guys, welcome to Svanikopedia. In this video, we're going to tell how to make a 3D solar system because I love solar system. Things we need. We need a black paper and a cardboard for the space. We need a paper for our planet ring. We need a silver pen, a chalk and glue. We need 8 foam balls for the 8 planets. We need a light bulb and a holder for the sun's light. We need a big one and plastic ball cut here, hold. We need and color it nice like this. First one, this is Mercury and you need to color in black because Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. It is the closest to the sun. Next, Venus. You need a yellow color. Put some white put so you can make the clouds of Venus. Third, Earth. Earth is the beautiful place where life lives. It has 7 continents and 7 oceans. Fourth, Mars. Mars is the red planet. You need to only get red. Like Earth has blue and green. Fifth, Jupiter. So Jupiter is the largest planet. You need to show like this. And you need the color red and mix some red and black to make brown. Sixth, Saturn. This is the 2 parts of Saturn. We need paper for the rings so it can be the rings of Saturn, and this ball color the top in purple like this and color whole yellow like this. Seventh, Uranus. The 7th planet is Uranus. First color in dark blue, then put some white for the rings so it can be tilt on its side. 8. Neptune. So Neptune also is a cloudy planet like Venus. It doesn't have craters, but it is the windiest, the coldest planets in our solar system. This is a plastic ball. Cut here a hole so the light bulb can go in there. And color it with yellow and orange so it can be like the sun. Now let's start off. Take a chalk and write 8 curves in this. First, Mercury like this. Then think like this. Do the same. Like this. Now take our sun, but this is gonna be the last. First take a glue and Mercury foam ball. Put the glue little bit. Then take Mercury foam ball and stick it right here. Then take the pen and write the spelling. MERCUR and Y. Next is Venus. Venus like this. And if you don't see, if it's not sticking, take a grown-up and tell it need to be sticked. Then write Venus's name. V-E-N-U-S. Venus. Next one is Earth. So take this foam ball, put it straight, then take the glue again and then put it a little bit like this, then put Earth like this, then take a pen to write the name of Earth. E-A-R-T-H, Earth. Then take the reddish one foam ball and it's for Mars. Take again the glue and put it a little bit on the foot drain. Put a little bit so Mars can stick very well. Then take your pen again and write the Mars's name. M-A-R-S, Mars. Now take the biggest one, Jupiter, hold like this. Then take the glue again. Then squish it a little bit so Jupiter can stick really well. Then stick like this. It's too big, so ask a grown-up to squish it. So everything can stick. When it not stick, put a little bit of glue again and put here. Put like this so Jupiter can stick. Then use the pen again. Then write Jupiter's name. J-U-P-I-T-E-R. Then take this one and this one. Take these two things for Saturn. These things are for Saturn. First, take the ring and make Saturn a beautiful princess. Then put the ring in the. You not put the ring, the glue. Just little bit like this. You need to have to make like this. Then glue here. Take a little bit, but take 2 times a little bit. So Saturn can stick to the plus. Then stick like this and ask a grown-up and a child to help so both can stick Saturn and so it can be in the place. Then write Saturn's name. S-A, then turn. T-U-R-N. Saturn. Then take the dark blue one with the rings around. Take this Uranus. First, put some glue here. Put a little bit of a minus and a standing line to make plus. So Uranus can see where the plus is a marking for you. Then squish hard, you don't need a grown-up to help. Then write Uranus's name. U-R-A-N-U-S, Uranus. Then take the last one ball we forget. It's a light blue with white clouds on it. It's Neptune. So take the last bit of glue. Then squish it really hard so it can go like this. Put a little minus so Neptune can see his mark. Then when you put your Neptune where glue was telling where Neptune needs to be, then write down in Neptune his name. N-E-P-T, then U-N, then we go to the corner N, then write down E, down in N. Then if you put all the planets, so take this plastic one, this is for the sun. Or you then put first the light bulb so sun can light. You need to only put the corner where we do the first Mercury. When you put the sun and you turn your light off, first put the sun and here, then slowly they put, then take this and write the sun. When you are done and put light off, then light bulb 1, 2, 3. See the solar system. See, the sun is glowing and all the planets are going. First, this is the sun. It's the brightest object. Then this is Mercury, the smallest planet in the solar system. Then this is Venus, name here, and it is the hottest planet. Then this is Earth. It is the hottest planet, the planet with lives on it, and it is the blue planet. This is Mars. It's the largest planet. Then this is Jupiter. Here's Jupiter's brown and this great red spot. Then Saturn. It has beautiful rings around it. So cool, right? Then this is Uranus. It also has cool rings, right? Then it's Neptune. Also the coldest planet, the windiest planet, and the cloudy planet. Then that makes the whole solar system. But these are little bit we can't see these, right? Because they are stars. Stars are really small objects. There are billions of them that orbits not. They stay in their places, but they can't move because they don't have orbits. So this is the asteroid belt. Jupiter holds the asteroids. When Jupiter is disappeared, the asteroids to go towards the rocky planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. So asteroid orbits the sun too. And there are different kinds of shapes like oval, square, anything. It has different kinds of shapes like Mars and Haumeia's moons. So you can look this is Mars's line and this is Jupiter's line. So when you see this line, you can see the asteroid belt. It's so big, it can contain billions of asteroids. Why? Because asteroids are different kinds of shape. That's why Jupiter contains asteroids in its gravity. This is my 3D model of the solar system. You can also try in your home the 3D model same like this. And subscribe my channel. Give